If you want to change battery, you need to remove this. Then you need these tools. If you do not have these tools, I'm sorry, it is very difficult to open this. I promise you can buy these tools for less than $10 on Amazon.com. Then it will save you way more money than you would think. To open this cover, keep your watch on something soft below. Then use this tool to put it here. Then use this hammer to gently tap on it. All right, that's it. In just one shot, I got it out. So when you use this tool, I try to put it near this knob here. Now you can use this tool to just pop it out and push this thing which is holding this battery in. That's it. There you go. You got the battery out in no time. Batteries are very small, so we can take a picture. Then it's very easy to read the number here. I bought this mix and match of batteries on Amazon. All right, I'm popping in the new battery here. Just press it and turn it and see if it's working. It's working like a charm. Let's close this one now. If you see, there is a notch over there, a small opening where that one aligns with this thing. Try to align this notch with this knob here. That's it. That's the click. It's closed. My family is dancing here. My wife said to kiss the rocks. Wow, look at that. This would have been a beach environment. This is definitely a wow place. Everybody's saying wow. This is the first of the kind in our lifetime.